Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I am back with the next installment of my mini tag album. This is how far we got the last time. So I am leaving room for pictures, and so some of the tags look a little bit plain, but I think it will be really cute even without the pictures. So I will leave a link in the description box for the kit. This is Gnome for the holidays, Thanksgiving, and I bought this from Lollapalooza. So I will leave a link for both the standard kit and the bigger kit. And so check those links, and let's get started. We are on our plaid tag now, and I am going to leave quite a bit of room for a picture on this one. I figure I will have a picture of us playing games after dinner. We always play games, usually Mexican Train. I wanted to use this cute little gnome holding a sunflower. Let me see, I put a gnome on the last page, so let me make sure I put it on the opposite side. So, I kind of think I'll leave it hanging off a little bit. So again, we're going to pop that up, because I love those little gnomes with some dimension. Okay, and then I'm going to get this Traditions sticker, and I think I will put that up at the top. And that should leave plenty of room for a picture. Except maybe I want to pop that up too. Ugh. Get the curl out of that one. There we go. Okay, yep, I like that better. Alright, and then I might add a little bit more ephemera. I do have these gold enamel, glittery, where did I put them? Dots, so I might, let's see if we can find a good place for some of these. Man, that is a sticky package too. Okay, maybe we could put a few right up here. Let's put 3 of varying sizes right up there. There. Oh yes, that looks cute. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Okay, and then the back is going to flip up this way, and I had this idea that I wanted to put thankful. I've got these big letters that are all individual that said thankful, and I'd kind of like to put them like blocking out, you know. Let's see how it... Oh, they're not as big as I thought they would be on this tag. So, I don't know if I want to put them on this one, but... maybe this isn't going to look very good, I don't know. Because I don't have an even number of letters. Ugh, and that one's really tall. I guess since I don't have an even number of letters, I could put a little pumpkin or something at the end. Alright, I'm going to turn this around so I can see it better. So it'll be upside down to you for a minute. I want to spread these out so they're more even. Let's see, that letter. It's kinda tall. That one is a bit crooked. There we go. And then let's put a little pumpkin at the end to take up the space. Alright, I think I'm okay with that. There. That looks pretty cute. Okay. So, there's that tag. Pretty simple. Okay, the next tag I have is this red one, and I didn't have a plan for this because I added it. So let's see what other cute little things we can put on here. Oh, I know. I will add my cute gnomies. Okay, that's gonna have to be popped up for sure. I did a tutorial on how I color my images. I don't have Copic markers, and so I use colored pencils and Gamsol. So I will leave a link for that video down below. I think I want to pop this little guy up and put him straight down. So let's get my tape runner. I don't know, maybe I better glue him. That's pretty cute. Okay, so then I'll have a little room for a small picture there. Something for this side. Let's see, I have this little frame here. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. So maybe I don't know. We'll just put it down there, and then that'll leave room for another picture perhaps. Okay, I'm gonna call that one done. So we'll set that one aside. Next one, we have this cute little let's see, did I want to have a picture of dinner here? So that's really small for a picture of dinner, but I'm gonna put "I'm stuffed" down at the bottom, and that may be, I don't know, maybe I'll put some rickrack or something, but I think I'll pop that up. But there's not gonna be a lot of room for the picture, so I am gonna keep this one real simple. Okay, and maybe I'll put one big enamel dot at the end of that. Maybe I'll put the one I colored on here instead, with a little mushroom, something. Okay, I think we'll glue him straight down. pop up that little mushroom. I have to cut one of those in half for the stem, I think. And we have some other mushroom stickers, so maybe I'll tuck one of those underneath that one, like so. Oh, that is so cute. I'm wondering if we need a word, like blessings. Okay. Oh my, that's so cute. Okay, now we just have a couple more. Have this cute little apple paper. I wanted to put a cornucopia. Don't know if there's room though. Maybe I could do what I've been doing and pop that up down at the bottom and leave the top open so that I can slide the picture underneath. Put this little skinny one down here. And then I will powder this up off camera. Oh, I put that, shoot, I put the sticky on the wrong side. I want that on the top. Alright, let me powder that bottom part now. Hopefully there's enough sticky left on my pop dots. Yeah, I think there is. Okay. And we'll kind of put it off on the side so that... Okay. So that we can get to our hole. Alright, I think that's going to be it for that one. I might put another word sticker down there after the picture goes on, but I think for now that's going to do that one. So let's see what I had for the back. Picture of food prep. So maybe we need our turkey dinner loading right there. I think I probably better just lay that one straight down. Trim off those little... Oh, that fits perfectly. Okay, and then that should leave me enough room for another picture. So there's that one. Now we have one left and it's awfully tiny. And I'm thinking more food prep. So let's see if we have something that will go with food prep. Maybe this cute little corn sticker. And maybe I want to put a pop dot right there on that corner. And maybe cut one in half. And put part down there. And part up here. And then put my backing back on and then powder that. That way that gives me a good area for a picture. Ew. Okay, and then on the back of that one, I might just put, I don't know, just a little piece of ephemera. Maybe, oh my gosh, look at that cute little guy with his apples, his apple basket. Or this, oh my goodness, maybe this guy. And I could tie a piece of twine around there. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, let's find our twine. All right. Let's see, maybe the brown twine again. Maybe I will just tie it in a knot instead of a bow. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I might just pop him up, but let's put him on some tape. Let's see. Brush it down a little bit. And there we go. Oh my, that is so cute. Okay, and then we have this tag. I wonder, maybe we could put a little something on that. Let's see what we have left. Oh my, look at this cute little wagon with a pumpkin on it. Oh, that is so cute. Alright, we're not going to pop that up though because we've got this popped up element here. So let's put all these tags in.